Hello everybody. So today it's just going to be kind of a quick video explaining how you can pay your invoices online. And now I don't mean just any traditional invoice from Spectrum or from your electric company. These are for invoices that come from me through Mobile Computer Medic. So traditionally I've always used PayPal as sort of the payment gateway. And that option has always been available on the invoice for you to pay, but I've seen that it's kind of thrown people off where they think that they need to create a PayPal account in order to pay this bill. When that's not the case, you can actually click Pay with PayPal, and then there's a button at the bottom that says Pay with just a credit or debit card, and you can do it that way. But at any rate, I've since added another option using Stripe as a credit and debit card processor. And so now there will be two different options on the emailed invoice that you can pay with a card. So I'm going to sort of walk you through that step by step. It doesn't take long, it's super easy to do, but I'm going to show you. So let's jump into it. Okay, so here we are at our email inbox. Now obviously yours will probably look a little bit different. I use Gmail, so depending on the email client that you use, it'll look the way yours looks. So as you can see here, we have the invoice that was sent over. And now every invoice that you receive from me will include a PDF attachment of the services rendered. So as we scroll down here to the attachment, we can click on that PDF. And then here you can see the entire breakdown, disclaimer, the services, invoice date, all that basic info. So you can print this out for your records if you need to. It is there. So the main reason why we are doing this video is this. So you will see Pay Online or PayPal on this email. So for the sake of doing it, we're going to do both. But the first one we'll do is Pay Online. We're going to do Proceed. And now it's going to bring you to this page. And this is the easiest way to do this. It's already set to credit card. It has the invoice amount already pre-filled for you. And then all you need to do is put in your card number, expiration date, and then CVC code, and go ahead and do Pay Now, and then it takes care of your payment and you're in and out. Super simple. And you'll even get an invoice receipt to your email. So we'll close that. Now the second option, PayPal, we will click on this and it'll take you to somewhat of a similar page. Now, as you can see, you can still click Pay with Credit Card. And if you click that, it's going to take you to the screen that we were just on to quickly check out with a card. Or if you still want to use PayPal, whether you have an account or not, you can still click on PayPal and it's going to bring you to this login page. And now this was the page that kind of threw people off, and they see this login and they're like, oh, I don't want to have to create a PayPal account just to pay this bill. Isn't there an easier way? And yes, there is. If you just look a little bit farther down on the page, you'll see Pay with Debit or Credit Card. So that right there is going to be what we're going to click on. And then we're greeted with this beautiful streamlined checkout page from PayPal, where you just put in your card number, billing address, contact info, and then it makes that one-time payment for you. So that is the second way of paying with a card. They're both super easy to do in my opinion. Obviously the first Pay Online option is the easier of the two, to just get right to the point. So, and then lastly, I wanted to show you this here, View Your Account Profile Online. Now this is especially handy for those who are signed up for my monthly managed services. What you can do when you log into your online profile, you can manage a credit card on your account. So instead of receiving that $19.99 bill every month and having to go in, put in your card info, pay now, you can actually just store it on your account and then have it deducted from your account at the 28th of every month, or I believe that's when it is. And add a credit card, and it just takes care of it that way. So it's kind of a set it and forget it mentality, which a lot of people prefer. I know I do. And then also, any invoices that you have open with me will be listed here as well. So like this one here, we haven't paid yet. So we see what our balance is, and we can click Pay Now, and it's going to take us right to that main page where we can pay with PayPal or credit card. So this is super handy, especially for recurring customers. So you'll always have this information here if you need to get to it. And so that's really about it. I mean, again, there's nothing to this, and by adding this second way of paying with a card, hopefully that kind of alleviates any confusion that people had before. And yeah, if you have any questions, just hit me up, give me a call, or shoot me an email, or send me a message on Facebook, and that is about it.